not the easiest getting it out of a small van. Okay, so welcome to my channel, Retro Smoke. I've just created it because it's going to be based on old school retro scooters and bikes, mainly small cc sized engines and stuff. So today I'm going to be doing a Will It Run video on this 1989 Yamaha BWs. I picked it up about a week ago and I still haven't even touched it. So I thought I could share this video with you to see if we can get it running. Okay, so here's the bike. What we'll do a little walk around. I've moved to a shady area because you can't really see it too well otherwise. Now, first thing I've noticed is it's obviously been resprayed at some point in its life. It must have been red and white, so you can see all the paint's flaking off there. And also on the footboard there, that's all red. I don't know, it must have been like quite a bright red. We've also got the leg shield, looks like it's been cracked at some point. I do not like this checker plate. Don't know why on earth they've put that on there. I wonder if we can get like an original set of panels to replace these with. I hope so. We've also got all cracks here. This exhaust does not look original. That looks like it's been replaced at some point. I did find a load of cables, which I believe is for the rear light assembly. They're just disconnected. So I hope this thing's going to run when I try and start it. And then we've got some LED indicators that look like they've replaced the original ones at some point. They've got to go. I do not like them. I do not like the fact that it's on a side stand either. It's pretty much just been not very well looked after, which is a shame. What we'll do, we'll try and get it running and just see if she ticks over and starts. Also, I would appreciate it if you're new here, please do subscribe, because I want to try and build this channel up. It's not my main channel. I do have another channel where I do stuff about my vans and little vlogs and that, but this one's going to be dedicated just to the bikes. These bikes are really rare in the United Kingdom. We don't really see many of them. I think because of our salty air, they just rot out. So this is the fuel tank. Have a quick look in there. From what I can see, it doesn't look rusted or anything. Obviously we've got the battery there. Let's have a look at the oil. Right, it looks like we've got oil in there. Because this bike's been sat still for about 2 years, I will probably want to change that oil, but let's chuck some fuel in there and see if we can get it running. I'll tell you what really annoyed me. Out of all the space in this car park, that guy over there just decided to stand right in front of me and get his binoculars out. I'm like, do you really need to be here, mate, whilst I'm filming? I haven't got the nozzle for my jerry can, so this is just probably going to go everywhere. A bit unprofessional, I know. We'll soon find out. Should do it. Can't tell if it's got a fuel leak now. Right. Back on. The battery, I believe, will be flat. Yeah, that's completely had its day. So, what we'll do, we'll try and kickstart it. Yeah, that stand is horrible. How are you meant to kickstart it with that? Oi, oi! Sounds like she wants to go. It's a cold day today, so probably have to leave her running for a little bit. Looks like we've got the headlights working as well. Sounds a little bit lumpy, but she's running. Good old Yamaha. This is why I love my old Yamahas. Right, I think it's only right we take it for a little spin. Oh no, the front brake's gone. she's proper smoky. Let's see if this light connects up. And we've got the tail light on, that's good. Brake light don't seem to work. Oh yeah, we've also got an aftermarket air filter, so that's probably why it's bogging and smoking quite a bit. The mixture's probably too rich, so that will also want putting back to standard, I think. Oh, and the rear fender's cracked. We've also got a lot of paint on this seat, but overall the seat looks in quite good condition for its age. Probably use a bit of terps or something to get that out. The clocks say it's done 1,378 miles. I do not believe that. It's probably gone round the clock once or twice already in its life. So the guy who I bought it from did give me a new front brake hub, so that will obviously need replacing as well. But let me know what you guys think I should do with this. I must say I'm quite impressed that it actually started. We've got it running, so that's the main thing. It does look like it needs a lot of tender loving care, so I'll get that back in the garage and I will hopefully start doing some work on this very soon. So like I say, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. I do have, I've got another Yamaha, I've got a QT50 which I've done a full restoration on. I've had two in the last year, both of them I've done sort of resto mods on them. I've also got Honda DAX and I've got a Yamaha jog which I'm just finishing up, so I will put that on my channel soon as well. I love the jog, it's a 1991 version. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and I will see you again soon for the next one.